Welcome again to my tutorial video today on new strategy, new developments on how you can set up your spot trading on UTrading AI trading bot. Just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. This video is basically for beginner who don't know how to trade, who don't know how to analyze market, but I'll break it down for you guys today in this video. Just make sure to watch this video to the end and do well to subscribe, like, and share this video, and let me know which country are you watching from on this particular video. All right, this video just based on educational content only, not for financial advisor. So let's jump into the video. But before you get here, you need to just make sure to connect your accounts with your exchange, Binance, Bybit, so that you can able to trade. You are not sending your money to anybody. All your money remains safe on your preferable exchange like Binance, Bybit, whatever exchange you have. And make sure you get your UGAS for you guys to enable to do what? To trade on this particular UTrading account. All right, so make sure you get your UGAS here. All right, check your availability and get the UGAS here and connect everything together. I have all the video you need to watch, how to connect, how to bind. The video is down below this video. Just go and check the description of this video. You are going to see all the video how you can get connected. Once you do that, the first step you need to do, just make sure to come to this particular area down here. All right, come to this market zone. You can see my box. When you click on that particular area, you need to just make sure to select. I'll give you, let's say you want to start, let me start with a minimum capital for this for beginner. I will now show you how to use some just message me to give you a settings based on your account. But I want to just make it as a beginner friendly for everybody to come into the system. So how you can get in with this particular strategy. Let's say I want to trade Solana, all right, because I recommend going for all these particular coin that I want to really show you. Have starting from Solana, this one, SRP, ADA. All right, you can even trade gold on, but gold right now is not working on. But then this one, BNB, all this coin you can trade them. Then you can also try this this one, doggy. All this coin I mentioned, you can give a try on them. All right, so that you guys can start using them. I've already shown you guys what coin you need to, starting from this one, this one, this one, this one, BNB. Just scroll down, you are going to see all the coin you can. Let's say I like to trade Solana because it's one of my favorite coin I normally trade for. Solana right now is around what? It's around what, $86, $86.72, $86.72. That is the current price of Solana. Then I'll click on it. Then the bots I'm going to select in this area is called AIDCA. All right, this one, AIDCA Pro. This one is spot. It will allow me to trigger my price. I don't want to buy at current price because you want to buy deep before, when you buy at the current price, you are not going to make a lot of profits. All right, because you are buying at the current price. But I will give you a strategy right now in this video so that you guys can learn from this particular strategy. All right, so once you click on it, all right, you can see, but this is what you need to do. Just select Solana on this particular icon. Select Solana here. Once you select Solana, you can trade many coins, but only pick one first based on your, let's say you have $100 on your account. I'm going to give you another setting for $200, $300 accounts in my next comment, but I just want to make this one for beginner friendly. Then you select this one. I'm using this here because I want to do it manually, so that I will instruct the bot what I want. All right, but right now, if you check the price, then what you need to do right now, let's say you have $100 on your account. All right, as an example, you have to just make sure to change all this one to let's say change this 15 minutes to 1 hour. 1 hour. All right, it's very important. Select 1 hour, save. Then make sure you select the what you need to do here is to just make sure select this particular immediately. All right, but I will not use what I will use right now is I will select this one, trigger price. Then I will do the math for you right now. Right now you can see the current price of Solana right now is around 86.4 86 sorry 86.84 86.84. So now, but I want Solana to drop by 3% or at least 2% before I can decide to buy. You know, I'm trading on spots. I want to buy deep. I don't want to buy at this particular current price because I want to wait. I want to make more money. I don't want to buy at this particular current price. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my calculator right now. Then I will just minus the price. So this one is just I'm because some people don't know how to trade, how to analyze, but I don't want to buy at this particular at least 2% or 3%. I'm okay with that. So let me just go to my calculator to show you right now. Right now, let's say the price is 86.84. All right. Then I'll just say minus, let's say even 2.5% drop. So I want to buy at $84 here. You can see I'm buying at what? $84. Let's say 2.5. Yes, you can see it has already dropped. All right, and the current price is what? Is 86.4. But I want to when Solana drop by $84, I'm going to buy. Yes, or even let's say even 3% drop as an example. Sorry, sorry, it's 3%. I'm buying is 84.2. So I want to buy Solana at 84.2. All right, you can see this is the answer. That give me 80. I've already minus it. Let me show you again. The Solana is an 86.84, right? That's the current price. But I don't want to buy at this particular current. I'll just say minus 2%. All right. Let's say 3% drop. You can see. So I'm buying at 84 what? 84.2. That is the price I wanted to buy. 84.2. All right. That is the price I want to buy. So let me just go to that particular account right now to show you. I want to buy at what? 84.2. I'll just say here, come here, I say 84.2. That's all. You can see. I'll now click on this save. So I'll now buy. This is the current price. So you can see 84, so that I can make profit when Solana what? When Solana do what? Drop. You can see. I've already set up the price here. All right, 84 point. That's the price I want to buy. So now let's see. But if you have $100, you can only, let's say your first in buy amount to no less than $5. No less than $5 for your $100 capital. All right, in my next I might show you another strategy for 1,000, but let me just say you have $100 as an example. So your first in buy amount is around $5. Then your maximum is that maximum here should be around this area. You can make it like what? 3. Sorry, 3. Then your, all right, let me click on this area and see what is there on this area for me, because you need to just watch the video to the end. Then make sure everything is just a single. Don't make it, all right. But yeah, but what you need to set up here is the take profits. You can make it like 4% here, or even 3%. It's okay. All right, make it just 4%. Put it at 4%, or even let's say 4%. Or even when you put it at 4 and you are already making the profit, you can just close it manually and put it on just single only. Don't put it on cycle, just single setting, but put it on 4%. You know you are buying at 3% drop. When you come back to 4% or 3%, you can close the trade. That's all. Then what you need to set right now again is you can see I've already set up some things here that I could. All right, then here now size multiple, you can leave it here, let's say 1.5. all right, I can put it 1.1 or 1.5, depend or 1.5 or 1 only, so that okay, let's go and check it. Then you can see I've already put it here very well. Then the price gap here, you need to, that's how you can set it very professional. So 5%, I'll just put 5%. This one also 5%, so that this thing will scrap. Let's say you want to put it at 5% drop is okay. All right, after the first order, 5% drop. Bitcoin, crypto, spot trade, you need to just buy deep so that you can make more money. All right, so that's, I've already set up everything. So, and I've already set up my what? I've already set up everything. You can see take profit single. So I'm targeting, let's say 4% or even 6%. It depends on total target profit, can be 4% or whatever. So it depends. Allow total loss. So you can say, but it doesn't matter. You don't need to even allow total loss. It depends on you. But let's say then, because you are buying deep already, you are buying because of the volatility of the market times. All right, but target is just 4% drop, 4% drop as an example. So I've already set up most of the important thing on this video, so you have to just rewatch this video. Very, very important. So target total profits here is, let's say, you can say 6%. I forgot to tell you, 6%. You can see, then you click on save. That's all. So no any special thing here. So I've already put it on $5 here. $5 is my first in buy amount. You can see $5 USDT. So because it's just a smaller account, I'm just showing you based on your smaller account that you can start trade. But Solana or SRP, that is what you can start trading. So as the coin keep dropping, you can still buy more deep and leave it to grow. So you can see I've already set up everything right now, but I will not even buy at the current price. When the market comes to this level at 3% drop, it will trigger my price. That's all. Because in sports, you are not buying at the top, you are buying when the market is deep, so that you guys can make more profit in the futures. All right, so you can see, because I don't want this video to be too long, I will show you another setting for $200 in the later, but this one is just a beginner. But you can even contact me on WhatsApp, and I'll now give you a private settings. Make sure you use my recommended link, register with my link, and buy your UGAT and message. Let me give you a settings based on your account size. So just make sure to cross check everything right now. You are going to see everything clearly. You are good to go. Then I'll just click on launch. You can see I've already launched everything right now. I will just come to, can you see? So it will be waiting for my signal to come. Right, it's waiting for my signal to come, and this is all my total PNL so far in this particular strategy. So you can see, so try to like this video and share it to people. Let other people benefit from this video. If you find this video helpful, try to like and share this video to all your friends. Thank you. Bye for now, guys.